Hi bestie. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get into the tips, let me tell you a quick story. Last year on my first day back to school, I walked into class and noticed people looking at me. Then I heard someone quietly say, "Is that really her?" And honestly, that felt amazing. The truth is, I did not become a totally different person. I just enhanced my beauty and became the best version of myself. I just spent my holidays taking care of my skin, hair, and style. I made small changes every day that added up to a big difference. And when I walked in, everyone noticed. So today, I'm going to share exactly what I did and how you can glow up before school starts too. No expensive products, no complicated steps, just simple things that actually work. School is almost here, and if you're like me, want to looking fresh and confident on first day, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to give you a full glow-up routine, from clearing pimples to fixing dark circles, smoothing hair, soft lips, and so much more. Grab a snack and get comfy. Don't worry, this is not a math class. Ha ha ha, I am just kidding. It is a pure glow-up magic. Let's start with skin glow-up. Step 1. Pimples and acne. Start a gentle skincare routine. Use a mild cleanser twice a day. For active pimples, apply ice wrapped in a cloth for 2 to 3 minutes to reduce swelling. Change your pillowcase every 3 to 4 days to avoid bacteria buildup. Step 2. Dark circles. Sleep at least 7 to 8 hours. Use cold green tea bags under eyes for 10 minutes to depuff and brighten. Step 3. Even skin tone. Use aloe vera gel daily for soothing and brightening. Try a DIY rice water toner for reducing marks and dullness. Step 4. Instant glow mask. Mix yogurt plus honey plus lemon for a quick brightening mask before an event. Leave on for 10 minutes, then wash off and glow. Next, hair glow up. Step 1. Overnight oil mask. Use coconut oil overnight once a week for shine and strength. Step 2. Heat protection. Always apply a heat protectant spray before straightening. Step 3. Regular trims. Trim split ends every 2 to 3 months to keep hair looking healthy. Step 4. Scalp care. Massage your scalp for 2 to 3 minutes daily to improve blood circulation and hair growth. Last but not least, body care. Step 1. Exfoliation. Scrub your body twice a week with a gentle body scrub. Exfoliation gently clears away dead skin, revealing fresh, glowing skin underneath. It also helps your moisturizer absorb better so your skin stays soft and healthy. Step 2. Nail care. Keep nails trimmed and clean. Always moisturize your hand with hand cream. Step 3. Smelling fresh. Use a long-lasting deodorant or body spray before school. It makes you feel fresh. Step 4. Proper outfit. Always wear clean, well-ironed clothes. It instantly makes you look more put together, and uniforms must be worn at school. Experiment with different colors. You must try different color dress like dark color, light color, and neutral color. And that's your ultimate back-to-school glow-up guide. If you try any of these tips and which part you like the most, let me know in the comments. Like the video and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tips. Stay tuned, my next video is coming very soon and you don't want to miss it.